Guys, back with another video. Little more updates on the Honda CRF 230F. I got new graphics and I got a new slip-on. So I'm going to do a run through of how to put it on. So obviously you take this off. There's these two bolts, this one and this one. And then you have your little clamp. Personally, from my experience, I did this all by myself. So I mean, pretty simple, and cost like $330. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to install your spark arrestor. So there should be two parts: your spark arrestor and your clip, whatever you want to call it. So this is what it sounds like before you put in your spark arrestor. And before I show you this, it does come without, or it does come with the spark arrestor, like the slip-on, but it doesn't come in it. Like, so it, like, you have to manually put it in your muffler, and I haven't yet. So this is what it sounds like without the spark arrestor. Okay. Right, so that's what it sounds like. Now, let me put my spark arrestor in. Let me put it in. So, I don't know if it really matters which way you put it in, but I should put it in like that. Hold up, this is going to take two hands. Okay, now that you have that in, fair warning, I would wear gloves when putting that in. You can do it by hand, but this little mesh wire could kind of like cut into your fingers a little bit. And you could damage it. I don't really think you need the clip, but just from like doing it by hands, but that's what it should look like. It should be in there. And I don't know if I said this before. It is illegal in every way, besides if you're on private property, but like your own. But it's illegal on public property to not have the spark arrestor in your bike, because it can technically cause wildfires because the spark that comes, like, you know, just that. And it does say that it like reduces the power, but I doubt that. It just makes it quieter. Okay, sound test. Key on, gas on. Okay. Okay, I don't know if that was a lot of a difference or not, but I mean, now you know. It's always good to have it in. But now that I put the spark arrestor in, you can ride this on the road if yours is legal, you know, and yours passes like all the things. And now you can ride it on trails. It is a little louder than your stock exhaust, I will say that, but you might get a couple noise complaints, but besides that, that's how you install it. Just slide your two fingers in right here and I might be able to pull it out, but I'll do that for another video. Thank you guys for watching.